Okay guys, today I'm working on a 2007 Subaru Triveca. I'm yanking this motor out to put into another vehicle. We do a lot of Subaru stuff here, in addition to the VW stuff. And today, like I say, I'm taking this 3-liter out to put into another vehicle. So a parts car. And I wanted to talk about these fuel lines right here. I believe in 2004 is when Subaru switched to this style of disconnect for the fuel line. It's kind of a quick disconnect as opposed to the hose clamps. So I'm going to show you a quick trick on how to remove these. I've seen some videos online with guys trying to do them with picks and stuff, and you get in there with a pick, and a lot of times you can, mess that little plastic sleeve in there up. You can kind of tweak it or bend it, even break it. So I'm going to show you a quick tip on how to remove these. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is right here. If we spin this plastic sleeve around, you can see right here, point to it, there are these two little dashes. And if you flip it around, there's two on this side too. So those are basically lining up. You kind of line those up and down on top of each other, and the little tab that you're going to try to pry is on this side and this side. Now, like I say, a lot of guys are coming in and they're trying to pry on this on each side and pull on the line at the same time, and you're using these these sharp pointed picks, and you can actually damage that sleeve. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to take just a regular zip tie here. We're going to flip it over and take a pair of wire cutters, lop the end off, even these up so they're same length. Kind of want to push in on the fuel line, slide your zip tie in on each side, and pull it off. It's as easy as that. Essentially, you're going in with a zip tie, you're pushing on that tab there, you're just pushing it in. I've also made a metal one. Actually, the first one I made was this fancy metal one, and I rolled the edges over. I even took some pliers and kind of arched them a little bit. Well, after I spent all that time on it, I thought, man, I wonder if this is possible with a plastic zip tie. This is actually a metal zip tie, like for axle boot, bellows boot, that kind of stuff. This one works equally well, but it was it took, not a long time to make, but longer to make than just the plastic zip tie. So again, just to recap, line those dashes up and down, come in on the back side first, then on the front side, and pull it off. Super easy. They sell different tools. I've got a couple different tools for some of the domestic fuel lines that are this style, but they all interfere, they all run in. I can't slide them on because of this shoulder right here. But anyways, guys, that's my quick hack, I guess life hack, for removing these plastic fuel lines on the 2004 newer Subarus. Thanks for watching, guys. Good luck. We'll catch you later.